In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust audio volume in Shotcut video editor. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So I have here an audio track and a video that I've just attached the track to. However, if I play this in my timeline, you realize the music is too loud. And you can see the graph is red, meaning the music is too loud. So to adjust this volume in Shotcut, just go ahead and click on the audio track. And then from here, go ahead and tap on filters. And from filters, go ahead and tap on this plus icon here, add a filter. So if we tap on add a filter, go ahead and using this search, type in gain. And as you can see, we have here the gain stock volume option. So if we go ahead and tap on it, now we have a volume level bar that you can use to adjust here. So I'll go ahead and reduce this. And you can also see on the other hand, the audio is reducing. Look at that. Now let me try at that and see if it is okay. Look at that. I like that. So if you're not comfortable, maybe you want to increase a little bit, you can also increase it and then try out and check if it is okay. And here we go. I'm okay with that. So once you're done, go ahead and export your file. And then it will be saved to your computer. So that's how you adjust your audio volume in Shotcut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.